Think you need to do 10 push-ups in a row to build your first 10. You don't. Today, I'll show you how to break your push-ups into smaller sets and build your strength one quality rep at a time. Welcome back to All Ages Fitness channel, where anyone can get stronger, move better, and live healthier. In episode 1, you learned how to perform a push-up and choose the right variation. Today, we're going to turn that foundation into real push-up strength. Before we build your reps, let's review the basics. Place your hands around shoulder width or slightly wider. Keep your head, shoulders, hips, and legs aligned. Brace your core and keep your elbows controlled. Lower your body slowly, then push the floor away. Remember, quality reps come first. Now, choose the variation that matches your current strength. If you're just starting, use a wall push-up. If that feels easy, move to an incline. Next is the knee push-up, and when you're ready, use the standard push-up. Choose the hardest variation you can perform with consistent, controlled form. Here's the key to today's workout. You don't need to perform 10 push-ups in one set. Instead, break your total into smaller sets. For example, you can do 5 push-ups, rest, then 5 more. That's still 10 push-ups. Your goal is to accumulate quality repetitions without letting your form fall apart. If 5 plus 5 is too difficult, make the set smaller. Try 4, 3, and 3. That's 10. Or use 3, 3, 2, and 2. That's 10 as well. The number of sets doesn't matter. What matters is reaching your total with good quality repetitions. Rest for about 45 to 90 seconds between sets. Use enough rest to recover your strength and maintain good form. If you need more time, take it. The goal is controlled progress, not rushing. As your strength improves, don't just keep adding more and more repetitions. Gradually reduce the assistance. For example, move from a wall to a higher incline, then use a lower incline, then progress to knee push-ups. Eventually, work towards standard push-ups. When you can perform your current variation with good control, make the next step slightly harder. If you're close to your first standard push-up, negative push-ups can help build strength. Start in the standard position. Lower yourself slowly for 3 to 5 seconds. Then lower your knees and return to the top. Focus on controlling the descent. Use negatives as a strength-building exercise, not as a replacement for your regular push-up sets. Now, it's time to practice. Choose your appropriate push-up variation. We'll perform 3 to 4 sets. Start with a number of repetitions you can complete with good form. Don't train to failure. Stop the set when your technique starts to break down. Set 1. Get into position. Brace your core. Lower slowly. Push the floor away. Keep your body aligned. Finish your set. Rest 45 to 90 seconds. Take your time and recover. Set 2. Stay controlled and keep the same quality form. Lower, push, and repeat. Rest 45 to 90 seconds. One more strong set. Set 3. Focus on quality, not speed. Keep your body stable. Control every repetition. Finish strong. Set 4, optionally. If you still have good form and control, complete one final set. Otherwise, you're done for today. Here's how to know when you're ready to progress. If you can complete your sets with good form and controlled repetitions, make the variation slightly harder. Don't rush. Strength builds through consistent practice. Remember, you don't need to do 10 push-ups at once. Build them one quality rep at a time. Start with the variation you can control. Break your reps into manageable sets, and gradually make the exercise harder as you get stronger. In episode 3, we'll focus on turning your modified push-ups into your first full standard push-up. Subscribe to All Ages Fitness channel and continue the Push-Up for All series. Start where you are. Build one rep at a time. Thank you for training with us today, and we'll see you at the next workout.